Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through an easy guide and steps on how to get Etsy verification code. So to get that, you have to go to the Etsy website and log in to your account. Then Etsy will prompt you to verify your identity if you are logging in from a new device. Then after that, you have to select how you want to receive the code. So by text message, which is SMS, to your registration phone number, or through an authentication app if you've enabled the 2FA, which is two-factor authentication. Then Etsy will send a 6-digit code via your selected method and also enter the code on the login screen to complete the verification. And here's a guide on how to activate the Etsy login verification for 2FA. So log in and go to your account settings, then click the security tab under the two-factor authentication and click turn on. Then choose SMS or authentication app, then follow the prompt to receive and enter your verification code. Then click confirm to activate login verification. And that's how you can also activate Etsy login verification using 2FA. Hope you find the video helpful. If you did, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more. Thanks.